The Jeep truck is something people have been clamoring for since time immemorial. Today we're delving into what we can expect out of the Jeep Scrambler, what we want, and what makes the Jeep truck such a longed-for vehicle even into the 21st century. The Jeep Scrambler is the much-looked-forward-to upcoming Jeep Wrangler with a truck bed. It appears to be a slightly lengthened Wrangler Unlimited with a separate truck bed added behind a truncated passenger cabin. The Scrambler will be small, and that's important. The Jeep is so awesome at getting to places where vehicles can't, in part by remaining compact. The short wheelbase keeps the Wrangler from getting stuck on rough trail where a longer truck would get beached. This is part of why small trucks like the Wrangler, Land Rover Defender, and early Land Cruisers have such legendary off-road chops. Next on our list of what to expect from the new Scrambler are 4 doors. While a 2-door Jeep pickup would be absolutely awesome, we here at The Report are less than hopeful. Crew cab and quad cab trucks sell so well right now, we can't blame Fiat Chrysler for being a bit cagey on offering a 2-door Scrambler. While a 2-door Scrambler would undoubtedly be cheaper, Jeep has been loath to build an inexpensive truck for several decades now. Expect the Scrambler to continue this trend and be priced in line with other top-end trucks. We can, however, take solace in the fact that at least we're getting a Jeep pickup at all. Finally, we have what might be the most exciting bit of information to leak out of Toledo. The 2019 Scrambler will be getting a diesel. That is awesome news considering the recent asshattery committed by other diesel automakers who shall remain nameless. Volkswagen. This is truly exciting news and makes the Wrangler even more versatile. And I didn't even think that was possible. Previously, the only way to get a new diesel Jeep was to buy a J8 from American Expeditionary Vehicles. These were modified military Jeep J8 bodies built in Cairo, Egypt, and shipped to Michigan where they were finished to customer specification. As you can imagine, these Jeeps were very sparse, very capable, and very expensive. The new diesel engine being offered in the Wrangler and Scrambler marks the first time American customers can get a comfortable, affordable, factory warranty Jeep that can run on vegetable oil. While we're at it, go ahead and subscribe if you want to hear more about go-anywhere vehicles that can run on waste oil. It would seem that the Scrambler is going to tick every box on the internet's wish list. Rugged? Check. Comfortable? Check. Capable? Check. Diesel? Check. Cheap? Well, 4 out of 5 ain't bad. At a time when automakers can seem hopelessly out of touch, it is refreshing to see Jeep get so many things right. All they needed to do was change as little as possible, and luckily, that's exactly what we're getting. The Wrangler is a symbol of triumph. It is the manifestation of the American work ethic. It was the truck that won World War II and didn't stop kicking Axis ass. It came home and went back to work, and not office work either. No, Jeeps earned their chops the hard way, doing real Marlboro Man stuff. First, the Jeep went home to the farm, never too proud to haul livestock or their manure. Later on, it got a job at the post office, where hurricanes and blizzards couldn't keep it home. Never resting on its laurels, even the Cherokee, being a child of the original Jeep, earned its name going where other trucks couldn't. The legend of Jeep is built on constant achievement, constant competency. Its story is admirable, and its lesson relatable. Work hard, do right by your country, and you too can be a hero. Its siren song cuts to the quick, tugging on the heartstrings of every red-blooded American. There are a lot of hyper-masculine cars, but too often it feels like they're just trying too hard. The Jeep does it naturally, no effort at all. When there's a job to be done, it just dives in with that bulldog face and gets to work. No questions, no hesitation, no failure. That is what the Scrambler will be, and why we already love it. We have more interesting videos about cool cars that should be popping up right about now. Also, be sure to click on the circle me to subscribe. If you really like this video, and I have a feeling that you do, take the plunge and hit the notify bell below. You'll get an unobtrusive notification whenever we post a new video, and have the added feel-good bonus of helping a young and eager YouTube channel.